How to replace missing or broken parking sensors on your car. This tutorial will be shown on the example of the rear bumper cover, but similar general approach would also work for replacing sensors on the front bumper cover as well. Remove the rear bumper cover. For that, open the trunk and remove 2 plastic bolt covers. Next, remove 2 bolts using a 10mm socket. Locate and remove the screws on the bottom of the bumper cover. Use a fastener removal tool and take out the push pins on the bottom rear side. Replace push pins if they break. Locate and remove the screws inside the wheel wells behind the splash shields. Now you should be able to detach the bumper cover. Place it on a floor mat or a soft rag to avoid scratching. As you can see here, my other 3 sensors are still fine, and one of them broke off and fell inside the bumper cover. The outer plastic ring gets brittle over time and breaks off easily. The sensor can no longer stay in place and usually falls inside the bumper cover. Remove the sensor bracket by sliding it off to the side and unplug the wiring harness. Take a note of the part number and buy a replacement parking sensor. If your car is older, the other sensors may also break very soon. You may consider replacing all of the sensors at the same time since you'll be removing the bumper cover anyway. Usually, buying a set of 4 sensors is a lot better deal than ordering them individually. If you are interested, links for replacement sensors and tools used in this video will be down in the description area below. To install the new sensor, insert the connector into the hole facing in the direction of the wiring harness, and then turn the sensor as you are firmly pushing it in. On the inside, install the sensor bracket and plug in the wire harness. This sensor on the side is a bit different, but the rest of them have a clamp for securing the wires. Reinstall the bumper cover in the reverse order of removal, and make sure your new parking sensors are working properly. I hope this video was helpful, and if so, please give it a like. Thanks, and have a nice day.